everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward to have the analysis of All India Round 1 result analysis. Yes, first of all, if we see the total result analysis, according to the category wise, 188 general category seats are already allotted in the All India Round 1 of NEET MDS 2024 counselling, followed by the OBC category 360 seats are allotted, EWS 78 seats are allotted, SC category 90 seats are allotted and ST category 31 seats are allotted. So total, including the government as well as the deemed colleges, the total number of seats that are come out as a result of All India Round 1 is 1347. Now if we see the branch wise that how many seats have been allotted in the All India Round 1, although it is a free exit round, definitely a lot of seats may be vacant for the All India Round 2, but still we should know that how much seats has been allotted in All India Round 1 so we can get some idea whether you as an aspirant need to participate in All India Round 2 or not. So according to the branch wise, orthodontics 202 seats are allotted, prosthodontics 215 seats, 215 seats has been allotted, oral surgery 203 seats are allotted, endodontics 211 seats are allotted, oral medicine and radiology 78 seats are allotted, pedodontics 159 seats are allotted, periodontology 182 seats are allotted, oral pathology 58 seats are allotted, and then public health dentistry 39 seats are allotted in All India Round 1 result of NEET MDS 2024 counselling. So if we see the overall scenario, so the prosthodontic is the first branch which is in maximum number has been allotted to the student. So you can think if you want a prosto in the next round whether you should go or not. And for such queries you can book the call and talk to me. You can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, because there is a lot of changes in All India Round 2 rules as compared to the last year round. Definitely the penalty is there, the fine is there, your security money will be in danger. That's why you need a guidance, that is for sure. So don't waste your time. Drop me the mail which is shown on your screen or DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. And don't forget to join the paid WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2024 counselling and take the guidance in each and every step. Thank you for watching.